Diabolo, not devil pellets, not Diablo. Diabolo means wasted. Hourglass, not devil.
This one's about finished. Had to do a lot of work on the trigger, but with those JSB exacts and this choke Walther barrel with the recessed target crown, finally, man, some guys sometimes 20, probably why it's not as popular as it should be. But sometimes 20 does not outperform 22, and probably the majority of guns. Really special guns like Diana 48 comes to mind, v-mach R9. Really special guns like 20 caliber better. Just a certain balance of pellet weight and the size of the tube, and how fast it can press the air out, and there's just a harmonic balance there. It's pretty much the transfer port area. That's why you don't really want to go widening it out right there. Really, if you do, go through some really small steps, widening that transfer port out on a spring piston gun, because the amount of back pressure is critical to everything. Especially the way the gun recoils. You know, if it recoils too harshly, you're not going to be accurate anyway, and probably wear your parts out faster. But this one is started out as a 177, the Black Lightning from Walmart. They're like 168 bucks. It's basically an Eva Shockey, but it has the black. And 177, the hole was just too little for this nitro piston tube. This power plant's real comparable to an R1 in my opinion. But I've got one of these in 22, and with the Crossman pellets, it shoots, you know, pretty much 800 feet a second every time, and it's accurate, and the way everything flows through, and it's quiet. Ooh, it's quiet. But you have to do a lot of work on these triggers, man. Sometimes you get a good one, but these clean break triggers, I don't know. Maybe keep you from getting sued. That's about all good I can say about it. Anyway, happy holidays, y'all. 20 caliber, 20 caliber, 20 caliber, and I don't know, man. The last time I had to go in and fight for 20 caliber and talk to Webley into making the 20 caliber v-mach, there was probably 12 different, 20 caliber pellets on Pyramid Air, and now it's like probably 5. And that 20 caliber Webley v-mach, that's one of the guns that 20 caliber acts right in, but they just didn't sell enough of them. And I don't know, I'm kind of playing with 25 now, so maybe I've evolved.